Software Spring. Presents. Which XLOOKUP argument can do exact or approximate matches in Google Sheets? Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which explains and illustrates the versatile XLOOKUP function argument that assists in conducting exact or approximate matches. Okay, before we see this argument in action, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. Thank you all for your support. Alright, for more info on XLOOKUP, please refer to its exclusive tutorial, whose link is given in the description. Moving forward, here is a quick intro to the XLOOKUP function. XLOOKUP can do a vertical or horizontal lookup for the search key, making it more powerful than VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP. XLOOKUP can extract a single cell, range of cells, an entire row, or a column. XLOOKUP can extract a higher or lower value than search key for approximate matches. This is a very useful trait of XLOOKUP. Okay, here is the syntax of the XLOOKUP function formula. In this tutorial, I will use these three arguments and one optional argument. Now, which of these optional arguments assist to conduct exact or approximate matches? It is the match mode argument. Let's see the match mode in action right away, first by stating the objective of using it. To assign exact, higher, or lower scholarship percentage corresponding to total score. Alright, this is the search key range. Key point. XLOOKUP allows to specify only one search key. Nest XLOOKUP inside array formula to specify an array of search keys. This is the lookup table. Okay, let me type the array formulas lookup combo function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, A, R, R, and select array formula. Nest XLOOKUP inside array formula. Type X, L, and select XLOOKUP. For search key, select this range, and type comma. For lookup range, select this range, and type comma. For result range, select this range, and type comma. To skip the missing value argument, type comma. The match mode argument can take one of four values. 0, which is the default, is for an exact match. 1 is for an exact or approximate match higher than the search key, which, in this case, is a total score. -1 is for an exact or approximate match lower than the search key. 2 is for wildcard match. Alright, for match mode, type 1, and type 2 closing parenthesis, 1 each for XLOOKUP and array formula. The final formula is. Press enter. There you go. XLOOKUP has returned an exact match for this total score. For other scores, XLOOKUP has returned an approximate match corresponding to the total score. For example, consider this total score. It is between 295 and 300. Note that 1 is specified for match mode. So, XLOOKUP has returned the nearest higher value to the total score of 296. Summary. Match mode argument is one of the arguments of XLOOKUP that makes it versatile. Match mode helps in tasks such as determining scholarship percentage or calculating delivery charges based on total purchase amount. 1 for match mode argument, returns an exact match, or an approximate match. For approximate match, XLOOKUP returns nearest higher value, than search key. -1 for match mode argument, returns an exact match, or an approximate match. For approximate match, XLOOKUP returns nearest lower value, than search key. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.